Do you know that your gut is known as the second brain of your body? Here's how you can treat it well and have your gut thank you for these foods. Probiotics. Probiotics like yogurt and kombucha are great choices to have as they increase the healthy bacteria and help in digestion as well. Fiber. Let's kick it up a notch by adding apples, bananas, oats, brown rice, and more for added fiber. Fiber is vital for your gut health, and the more fiber there is, the better your gut health becomes. Nuts. In addition to having probiotics and fiber, nuts such as almonds and cashews contain essential fatty acids acting as the perfect environment for your gut health to improve. Polyphenol. Food items such as dark chocolate, chocolate, and chestnut all contain this organic chemical called polyphenol. Since digesting them is harder, the gut has to work hard to digest them and becomes more efficient and strong over time. If you found this video useful, stay tuned for many more of such quick facts.